as long as the pause in Gaza continues, I think the pause in southern Lebanon would continue. Lebanese and government and people do not want war. War is not in our interest. These are in the interests of those who want to make war. And I know there was a lot of pressure on us that Hezbollah should not start the war. Hezbollah, I don't think wants to start the war. It is a resistance movement, but it is part of the Lebanese people. I mean, you know, when you have a democracy, you have a base, and you have to take into consideration the interest of your base. And I think neither Hezbollah's base nor anybody else in the country wants war. It's my understanding, it is my perception that Hezbollah would not make war. It is not that they made any promise or something like that. Because if it gets bad and bad in Gaza, I cannot guarantee what would happen. I cannot guarantee what would happen in the whole region.
ما خواستار پایان بخشیدن به این تجاوز هستیم. در این زمینه مشورت‌ها و گفتگوهای جمهوری اسلامی ایران با طرف‌های مختلف ادامه داره. در مشورت‌ها و رایزنی‌های سطح عالی، در سطح آقای رئیس جمهور، در سطح وزیر خارجه، با کشورها و مقامات دولت‌ها و همچنین با مقامات سازمان ملل متحد در سطوح مختلف این گفتگوها انجام شده، ادامه پیدا خواهد کرد.